Exploring the phrase, bed down. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into the English phrase, bed down. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it in various contexts. Let's dive in. Bed down might initially sound like a reference to an actual bed or the act of sleeping. And in a way, it is related to rest. But there's more to it than just that. Bed. In this context, bed is used as a verb. It's an action. Down. This word is often used to emphasize the position or direction, like in sit down or lay down. When combined, bed down means to settle or make a place to sleep. It can be temporary and doesn't necessarily mean in a bed. For example, someone might bed down in a tent or on a couch. To understand better, let's look at some example sentences. 1. After a long day of hiking, we decided to bed down next to the river. 2. This means the hikers decided to set up a sleeping place by the river. 3. I don't need a fancy hotel. I can bed down on your sofa. 4. Here, the speaker is saying they can sleep or rest on the sofa. 5. The city opened several shelters for people to bed down during the winter storm. 6. This implies that shelters were provided for people to sleep during the storm. There are phrases that can be somewhat related or convey a similar idea. Lay one's head, it's another way to say finding a place to sleep. For instance, where are you laying your head tonight means, where are you sleeping tonight? Set up camp, often used in the context of outdoor activities, meaning to establish a temporary place to sleep, usually in tents. And there you have it. Now, you not only know the meaning of bed down, but also how to use it in different contexts. Remember, language is not just about words but understanding the culture and nuances behind those words. We hope this video has been insightful. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.